Hello, children. Today I'm going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Sniffles the Crocodile and Punch the Butterfly. Now, children, this story is a very interesting story of two friends. So, now let's see what happens in the story. In the swamp on the far side of the far forest lived Sniffles, the crocodile. Sniffles was always crying big crocodile tears or going sniff, sniff, sniff. Even his mom was quite tired of him and would say, "Stop sniveling and crying and start behaving like a crocodile. Go hunt for food." But Sniffles would burst into tears at the thought of eating another animal. So mom and dad had to feed Sniffles every day. Sniffles did not want to be a crocodile. "I am so ugly," he thought, bursting into tears again. He did not even want to live like crocodiles do. His best friend was Punch, a golden yellow butterfly. And Punch wanted to be big and strong, so Punch always had a filler curled into a fist, saying, "Look out, I will punch you in the mouth." They made a very funny pair. Sniffles, swimming with Punch, perched on his head. The other crocodiles would laugh and make fun of them. That did not bother Sniffles at all. He continued crying, sniffling, and being friends with Punch. One sunny afternoon, Punch settled herself near Sniffles' ear and told him, "I have seen two men come this way with guns. They want to kill crocodiles for their skins." "Don't these men have skins of their own?" asked a puzzled Sniffles. "I don't know, Sniffles," replied Punch. "Tell the other crocodiles and hide." "But Punch, they might shoot you." "Oh, what should I do?" cried Sniffles, sobbing loudly. "People catch butterflies with nets and pin them on a board. My grand aunt told me," said Punch and flew away. The other crocodiles heard Sniffles crying and shouting, "Men coming to kill us! Hide! Hurry! Hide!" At first, the crocodiles did not believe Sniffles, but then they heard the men's footsteps. The crocodiles went deep into the water and left some rotten logs floating on the water. The men shot at the logs, which looked like crocodiles, from far away. The men could not see any crocodiles, only hundreds of butterflies that flew into their faces and hair. Shaking their heads and trying to brush off the butterflies, they said, "There are no crocodiles here. We will bring nets and catch the butterflies." And off they went. All the crocodiles got together and said, "Thank you, Punch. Thank you, butterflies." The next day, Sniffles saw men with nets. He remembered Punch telling him about nets. "Punch, the nets! Come here quick! The men with the nets have come." All the crocodiles come on the river bank. The butterflies settled on the backs and heads of the crocodiles. A few of the crocodiles made a circle around the man as they came close. The crocodiles snapped their jaws. Sniffles was in the front, gnashing his teeth and whipping his tail around most bravely. The men were so frightened that they took to their heels and ran right out of the swamp. The other crocodiles were very proud of Sniffles, as he had acted like a real crocodile. Now Sniffles was also very proud of himself. All the butterflies flew around the crocodiles, fluttering their wings. "Thank you, Sniffles. Thank you, crocodiles." "It's all right," said Sniffles shyly. "That is what friends are for, to take care of each other."